Okay, guys, let's talk about this ONTAIL 32-inch rolling duffel bag. Listen, if you are someone that travels or, you need to frequently pack for some reason, this is the duffel bag that you need. This thing is nice. Don't let it fool you. When I first pulled it out, I was like, oh, okay. First off, look at these wheels. These wheels will get you in the airport where you need to go. Now, this is how the duffel bag looks once you stretch it out. And I love how you have so many different ways of actually carrying it. So you see, I'm like opening it up. It has a side pocket right there. I'm opening it up and I'm going to be placing some items in there just because I wanted to see how good it did. I had some sheets that I'm about to donate and give away. So I was like, let me see how many I can put in here. So I was thinking maybe 2 or 3. You guys, I put all of the sheets and pillowcases that I had in here and I still had a ton of room. Now, like I said, I love how there's different ways of carrying it. So if you're going through an airport, of course, you can carry it in your hand like I'm doing right now. But sometimes I don't like to do that if it's digging through my shoulder. So I may put it on my back. This bag allows you to do that as well. And here's the cool thing. I'm actually going on vacation tomorrow. You see my suitcases there in the hallway. And I decided instead of my regular carry-on, I'm taking this duffel bag. I'm using the wheels now just to see how good it rolled. This thing is amazing. Like, it was so smooth. It didn't get caught up. I think it's because it has those big wheels. If you need another suitcase that's actually like a duffel bag with various ways to carry it, definitely check out the ONTAIL store.